So we've driven down to the beach at Hondarribia, and this is the car park where we stayed in our camper van back in 2017. So basically any space which has got white lines is free, and you can park it as long as you like. Basically that goes through the town, probably goes through nearly all the towns in Spain. So white lined is all good to go. Blue tends to be for residents only. Yellow is basically you don't park there, and that they also mark that on the curbs. But yeah, white's good to go. Look, and there is the beach right there. There's the sea, and you can walk out on that rocky sort of section that takes you out there.
Over to the left, you've got toilets and showers.
Yeah.
As well, you can use if you're here in a camper van.
Yeah, that building just in front of you. Makes it a great stop for free, especially if you're in a motorhome. And you've got all this, and you can see, you can just stay here for free as long as you like. And that over there in the distance is France. So you can also get a little ferry that takes you across. Not sure how much it costs, but we were just sat having coffee, just watching people going to and fro from France. Hola guys, we are in Hondarribia, and at the moment we are having vino tinto, and we are basically indulging in all of the Pinchos that this place has to offer, and it is amazing. Check us out. Look behind me though. So it's a little bit quiet at the moment, but you get the idea. Look. So look, kind of like over here, there's all sorts of selection of everything. Fish, mussels, olives, chilies, all of it. It looks amazing. Let me just go that way. Just go this way, look, at the top. You can see, look. Top bar here, olives down there. This place is decent.
Hola!
Hola guys. So, basically, we have just been into this bar behind us for Pinchos and 2 glasses of red wine. This is called Sedara. And basically, it's on the main strip in the town that we're in at the moment.
Hondarribia, I think it's called.
Yeah, there we go. So check this out, there. So we're going to head down this way in a minute. All these little Pinchos bars here. So basically, you just go in, you choose your drinks, you just point to whatever snack you want, and it's like maybe it's a couple of euros per, but it's my god.
But you can go from like a bar that you get something really basic into a bar that then suddenly, because around hidden in amongst is like Michelin stars or really well trained chefs.
It's
so
amazing.
You can kind of go from, you know, basic to something delicious just by accident. So
it's
yeah.
so good. It's so good. So you can choose beers, wines, whatever else, and it's all cheap. I mean, around a minute ago, the photographs were put on here, and it was under €8, and the glass of wine was massive
and delicious.
So this is what's happening. We've got chestnuts going on. Oh my god, you can smell them. They smell amazing.
we've just had 2 pieces of steak and a nice big glass of red wine, which is there as well.
Unfortunately, there wasn't time to film it because we were just too hungry.
Look at this!
Too delicious.
Look at the state of this thing!
It was too delicious to wait and film the actual food. But there was a photo, I think.
We got a photo. We just destroyed this thing. And the thing is, the steak came in at under €4 a piece. It was the best steak ever.
It's a tiny piece like this, cooked to perfection.
Oh, it was so good.
Really rare, but not like bloody, just
perfect. We shall get another video at our next bar. Adios.